The Scythians were a nomadic people, Iranian-speaking, who originated in southern Siberia in about the 9th century BC. They dominated the whole area from northern China to the northern Black Sea for centuries. The Scythians were fierce warriors. That's described by their contemporaries, and we see it in their weapon kit buried with them for the afterlife. So there are bows, lots of arrows, pointed battle axes, swords, daggers, shields, helmets, and armour. So the feature that really caught their neighbours off guard was the mobility and speed of Scythian horse archers. So the Scythians drank. We know they drank wine, like Greeks, but they also drank fermented mare's milk. They ate meat, but very little vegetables, and had a very good time. Men and women alike were heavily tattooed.